Hi guys, Miss Erica here. Happy Tuesday. I am ready to make a new craft with you today. Go ahead and grab some construction paper, some crayons, some glue, some scissors to cut everything, and meet me right back over here and we'll get started. Today's art project, I have a bunch of different scrap papers and papers in front of me to make part of these crafts, or this craft that we are doing today. I have two small pieces of scrap paper for eggs to go in my nest. I have a random pink color to make a wing for my bird, and I have another random pink color for the other, let's see, its beak and its tail. And I have this one, this pink for the whole body of my bird. And I don't know why that's in there, but I have this yellow piece of paper here for the background of my whole project. So I'm going to start with this paper here. I'm going to grab my crayons and I'm just going to start making a big scribbly circle on my paper with the crayons that I have here. I'm just going to use all of the colors just to make a big scribbly nest, which this is probably going to be the fun part of this art project. We just get to scribble. Alright guys, so I have a pretty big scribbly circle now. This is going to be the inside of my nest here, and we are ready to make our bird shape. So I'm going to put this this background paper to the side, and we are going to move on to whatever color you have chosen for your bird. I chose pink. I'm going to just do a half circle on the edge of this paper here. I'm not going to trace, I'm just going to cut. All right, I have a half circle shape for my bird. I'm gonna get my nest paper here. Alrighty, my bird is in her nest. I'm gonna scoot this up just a little bit. Alrighty, now we are ready for the other details of the bird. I'm going to grab my bright pink color here, and I'm just going to do the same exact thing that I did for the body, but in a smaller version, and I'm going to do this for the wing. And you can trace a half circle if you would like. You can use maybe a cup or your glue bottle. I mean, my glue bottle is kind of small, but depending on where you can find a good circle shape, I would just put it on top of your paper and trace, and then just cut it in half, and you can use that as the wing. This is my wing. I'm going to bring my paper back over. And my wing, let's see. It's going to be going the same way. So this is facing the right direction towards my camera. So you are seeing what I should be seeing. I'm working upside down. So I'm going to glue my wing the same way I glued my body, with the straight line facing away from me. Sorry, I'm doing this backwards, so it's a little hard. I'm trying to make it so that you can see what I'm doing and which way everything is going. So the straight part of your little half circle will be facing up on your paper. Now for this part, I am going to turn it back towards me so I can kind of put my wing in a downward angle. So this is my bird. I'm not really too sure what I'm going to make the front yet, but this is what I have so far. I'm going to put that to the side. We are going to do its beak. Now I'm ready for her tail. I'm going to do the same color that I just did her beak with. And I'm going to do another triangle. I'm going to do a long triangle. Make her tail nice and long and pointy. Okay, and to glue the tail onto the bird, you're going to do it with the point of the triangle pointed towards her bottom. Taking an extra piece of paper here and just trying to take my glue off as it's smeared on the paper. Alrighty, and my bird is on here, all done. So now I'm going to move on to my white scraps of paper for her eggs. Again, this is something that you can trace if you would like to. I'm not going to. I'm just going to freehand it here with my scissors. Alrighty, so I have 3 eggs that I'm going to glue onto her nest, just wherever you would like. Is looking all done. I am not all the way done with the whole project yet though. I'm going to grab my green. I think I forgot this color at the very beginning of the video, but we do need some green, just a little bit, to make some leaves for her nest, of course. So I'm going to take a little scrap piece of paper and just fold it in half. And from here, I'm going to make a leaf shape, cutting both at once. Kind of like that. That one's kind of, there we go. Now we have 2 leaves. So we're just kind of gonna put these wherever you would like. I think I'm gonna put mine at the top. And then we are going to get our crayons out and start putting some details on our picture here. Okay, kind of mush that around a little bit. Put my first leaf and my second leaf. I'm not a huge fan of overflowing glue on my art projects, so I'm just trying to peel some of that off of there. All right, so we have our leaves, our eggs, our bird, and we are ready to decorate with some crayon. I'm going to bring my crayons over here. I want to give her an eye. Of course, she has to see. So just one eye, since this is just one side of her body over here. All right, and now I'm going to get some purple and just kind of add more details to little parts of her body here. Just grabbing a different color and gonna shade some of the eggs over here. Okay, we have some stuff on our bird and I did some designs on my leaves as well. That is my finished little bird project. I hope you liked doing this with me. I enjoyed it. I can't wait to see your pictures posted in the classroom so I can see all of your finished product as well. I hope you have a good rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. See ya!